everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. Glad to have you here. Please watch my videos. I'm trying to prepare the videos for you all to prepare your Thanksgiving dinner. So I'm another version of my sweet potato pies today. So I will be reading my verse from Proverbs 18 and 20. Words satisfy the soul as food satisfies the stomach. The right words on a person's lips bring satisfaction. Proverbs 18 and 20. Thank you so much. Now I'm getting ready to do another version of my sweet potato pie. And I will be using, I've already baked the sweet potatoes and I've already got them mashed up. All right, now I will be putting in, I have a stick of butter that I will be putting in right now. And it's not really melted, but it's soft. It's room temperature. Okay. As you wonder why I'm doing it in this big pan, but I don't like for it to splash around when I start getting ready to get it done. So I try to use a bigger bowl so it won't splash out of everything. All right, so that's a cup of butter that I've already put in. Okay. Now I'm going to be adding my sugar. I have 1 cup of granulated white sugar, okay, and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Now I'm going to be trying to beat it in just a little bit. You all know that this time of the year, the frost hasn't fallen yet here, so it's going to take a little while for the sweet potatoes to get sweet. So I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, okay? And I have that in. I'm going to kind of beat that around. All right. My next item to put in, out of the way. Okay. Let me get my. Then I'm doing now. This one, I have on this sweet potatoes. I have cream cheese, and I have a can of milk, but I'm not using the whole can. I'm using a 1/2 can of milk, and I mix the cream cheese with the can of milk. And I beat them up. So now I'm pouring. Now I have it's really a 1/2 cup of canned milk and 4 ounces of cream cheese that I'm putting in there. A 1/2 can of milk and a 4 ounce of cream cheese. Okay. All right, now getting those in for you. I'm going to start beating it up just a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to be adding I have 4 eggs that's already been beat. I will still put them in also. All right. Try to whip my bowl around a little bit. Blend it together Sometimes that's why I'm using a bigger bowl. This stuff has a tendency to splash, and I'm trying to keep from splashing out everywhere. So that's why I'm using this big bowl. I don't have that much in it, but I'm using a bigger bowl. Okay. I hope it's okay now. Okay. Now this, I have 1 teaspoon of my cinnamon and 1 teaspoonful of nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. All right. Okay. And on here, this is flour. So I have like I have like a 1 tablespoon of flour. I'll be pouring that in also. Okay, now I'm going to sit down to this put the flour in also. I think that's all I'm going in. That's all I'm going in. Okay, I'm gonna put this one over here. Put the other one in.
Now she put them in the oven for about 5 minutes to get just a little cooked. Not a lot, just a little bit.
Need some more of these gloves. Like this one. Okay. Look at that thing. Go get it. Okay. I'm going to put them in the oven. I'm going to put them in the oven at about 325 for about an hour. An hour. Because the oven's already so hot, so it might be done before that time. Thank you so much. Be back. These are my final touches of my my another version of the sweet potato pies. So I hope you will try this one also. Because the other one was made with condensed milk. And this one is made with just cream cheese. I'm sorry. This one is made with cream cheese. And okay, so now I'm gonna do a taste test for you. I'm gonna put my Cool Whip on it.
Y'all, this is so good. I'm not a sweet potato pie lover, but it's good.
Let me a fork over there with you. A spoon or something like that, man. Here. All right, I'm gonna do the taste test for you. Okay. I know the Cool Whip is gonna bring it out. This is so delicious. I know it is. Well, well, well. It is good. It is definitely off the chain here, you guys. It's so hot that, yeah. Cool Whip is melting. Very, very delicious.
Yeah, it's good. I don't like sweet potato pie, but it's very good. It's very good.
Well, well, well. Very, very good. I could probably eat the whole pie, but I'm not. I love potato pie. And I love lemon pie.
And I don't love neither one.
But this one is so delicious. And I love them while they're hot.
Yeah, this is
So good.
This is really good.
I said it's so good. It is so good. Every bite is delicious. So, you this is my final touches of my another version of my sweet potato pies. And maybe after you all decide, maybe just give you time to decide. You have about 15 more days to go and try each one of them and decide what you'd rather have for your dinner. Thank you so much. With all my love. This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. I love you all. I love everybody here. All right. And thank you for all my subscribers, all of my supporters, all of my memberships, and everybody has come on new. And the one that's not a member, please join my channel. I love you all so much. God bless. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.